This video is going to be something different, something beautiful. এটা বাংলায় বলে কাঁথা বা in heritage and handloom industry or in Delhi art you will call it a beautiful work of art. This has been stitched by my mother when my son was born. My mother named my son Shornatko, matlab the golden sun, and she beautifully stitched this for her grandson. See this. Such an intricate work of art with lots of love, lots of affection, lots of dreams and lots of beautiful man ki ashirwad, blessings. That way I should put it. है ना सुंदर? देखो कैसे लग रहा है. Though my son's official name is different, but my mother named my son the Golden Sun, Shornatko. How very beautiful, है ना? As I always tell you, my mother's a teacher, but along with it, in those days and till date also, there are lots of homemakers, teachers, professionals who are doing beautiful work and nobody recognizes, nobody has time to know it. But since I am in YouTube, I got the chance, so I thought let me put this in YouTube. है ना? है कितना सुंदर बताओ. Everything handmade, intricately done. This is another kantha, or this is another quilt. When I was born, my mother's mother, আমার দিদিমা আমার জন্য এটা বানিয়েছিলেন. Just see, in those days they made such beautiful days, they stitched such beautiful things. As homemakers, they used to take care of their children, they used to cook, they used to do everyday daily duties. Along with this, they had beautiful hobbies, they had beautiful blessings for their grandchildren. You know what is written over here in Bengali? ফুটফুটে টুকটুকে ছোট্ট দিদি ভাই, ভাবি বসে তাই, স্বপ্নে আমি দেখেছিলাম তুমি মায়ের কোলে, স্বপ্ন আমার সত্য হলো তুমি এসেছো বলে. Another quilt made stitched by my mother for my newborn little son when he was born. This is a poem in Bengali and she stitched it. My son's name is Akash. Now, personal effort in putting up a beautiful thing for her grandson. I have to now disclose it. My son's name is Akash. So, Akash amar bhorlo alo, Akash ami bhorbo gane, Shornatko shei Akash jure. Shornatko means the golden sun. Alo anondo ashishane. Matlab, it brings light, happiness and blessings. Akash Oshim, the name Akash, sky, is Akash is, it is Oshim, matlab it is, there's infinity. Mukto, it is free. Mohan, Mohan matlab Mahan, Hindi में बोलते हैं. How Shauro Jyoti, Chiro Ayushman. Have a great life, have a great, you should have an aura, you should have a Jyoti aura, and you should have a long life. Bishwa Jagot Udbhashito Shornatko Abhay. The world should, wherever you move around, the world should, feel your aura as a positive aura. Manob Janom Alokito Shomo Himay. It means that you were born as a human being and make your life fruitful, make your life a beautiful, a great human being's life. এই তো আমার আশিস আদর হাসি খুশি রাশি. This is my blessings, this is my love, this is my happiness. Lots and lots of happiness for you. Gaane shure ebar, matlab it is with songs. It is in this poem. ভালোবাসি ভালোবাসি বাজায় বাসি সোনা আমার দিদাম্মা. matlab I love you, you are a little angel in our house. You are the future of our house. Both you're from your father's and your mother's side, and as a maternal grandmother, I am very happy for you. Shona bole banglaয় I am your didamma, matlab I am your nani, didamma. है ना कितना सुंदर. It is all stitched. The poem is composed by my mother and it's so beautiful. It is a respect to the little one who has come on this earth, and a little child also has a lot of respect. And when the child comes, the child is given lots of love, lots of blessings, lots of respect, and all these things bring, what should I say, some kind of energy to the child when the child grows up, that you are our बोलते हैं ना, our dream child. You are a dream come true from all our relatives and from your nani, nanu, and of course dadi dadu. है ना? This is Nokshi Katha, known as, it is a kind of art in Bengal. This is my maternal grandmother made it for me when I was born. See, this is like a fairy angel. This is a tree. This is again a tree. This is some kind of motive. It is stitched. It is an animal, I suppose. It's an elephant. This is two elephants. And this stitching is so very intricate. This stitching, একে নকশি কাঁথা এই জন্যই বলে, এর মধ্যে খুব intricate stitching আছে. This is a flower and a parrot, bird along with. See? This is another motif and this is stitched. This has been done by my grandmother. She was the wife of my maternal grandfather. He was the principal of a school. So she was the wife of principal of a school. She used to take care of her children. She used to be a homemaker. She used to make nice delicacies, nice मतलब अच्छे खाना बनाती थी for her kids, and along with it, after the whole day's work, she used to do such beautiful work of heart from her मतलब एकदम मन से दिल से for her grandchildren. है ना बहुत सुंदर. और मुझे लगता है as her grandchildren, you should, at least if you are in YouTube, we should put it up in front of everybody that, in generations before, they had lots of qualities, they had lots of Bangla bole gun, but they never had the opportunity to exhibit it, but they were great people. है ना? In one word I can put it that way. है ना? This is another Nokshi Katha. This is done, stitched by my mother for me when I was a kid. See how intricate the designs are. I wish I could show you. Very intricate and very beautiful. These are all diyas made in a nice way. है ना बहुत सुंदर. My father, he was the principal of technical school in Arunachal Pradesh. This has been gifted to my father when we took voluntary retirement and came back because he had gastritis problem. And he was in the Ministry of External Affairs over there. And this is gifted by his students over there. This is, I think, made from the bark of a tree. I'm not very sure, but there's a coat that is definitely made from the bark of a tree, and this is all hand woven. At that time, I'm just sharing it with you. These are small things. These are not very big things, but there's a lot of emotions, lot of respect, lot of love, lot of attachment from the students towards the teacher, and that conveys that simply. I think more than that. I'm a simple person, but for me, emotions, love, respect, blessings, all these matter a lot. And as friends, I'm sharing this with you. This is actually a waistcoat, and this is a coat actually. This has been gifted to my father by his students in Nefa, Arunachal Pradesh, and this is made from the bark of a tree. Over there, hand-woven things are, बहुत सारे ऐसे hand woven things were made, and they paid a respect to my father when he came back. He took a voluntary retirement, and see how beautiful it is. This is made from the bark of a tree, and this is so very natural and beautiful. This is the back side of it, and how nice, how intricate, with lots of love, lots of affection once again, and lots of hard work, and along with it lots of what should I say, talent maybe. Yeah, how nice it is, Hannah, how beautiful. It's again a hand woven table cover which they gifted to my father. We preserve small things, but they mean a lot to us. They have a lot of great values and lot of I cannot express, lot of emotions attached in that, है ना? They may not be very costly things, but अगर मन की आंखों से देखो तो they are precious. They are something which you will never get in life. This is something which is a very traditional Indian work of art, and along with it, with lot of, as I say, respect, love, emotions attached, and beautiful things. I have no more words to say. It is so very, I should say, touching. This is again an asan made by my mother. How beautiful. See, it is a tiger, a tree, a river, flowers. Just so great, na? So beautiful. My mother hand stitched it after even, after teaching me, after doing all her duties, after teaching her students and everything. क्या सुंदर वर्क ऑफ आर्ट है, क्या टैलेंट है, क्या বাংলায় বলে প্রতিভা। এইসব প্রতিভা আগেকার দিনের মানুষদের ঘরে ঘরে ছিল। This used to be not only with my mother, my grandmother, but this used to be in every family, and how beautifully they used to do it. They have never come in limelight, but this used to happen in India in many houses, and I'm just privileged to be their children, their grandchildren. बस और क्या बोलूं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. This again has been stitched by my mother. आसन, ये सब आसन ना पहले ज़माने में भगवान की पूजा में लगता था, तो मम्मी ऐसे घर में ये सब स्टिच करके रखती थी. We never used to feel कि हाँ बाहर से लाना है and all that. How very beautiful है ना. को बनाना था, बट ये पूरा नहीं हो पाया था, ये इतना ही बना था. ये मम्मी ने स्टार्ट किया था, ये बनाया, पूरा नहीं हो पाया था. This bag again at that time has been gifted to my father by his students over there in Nifa, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. कितना सुंदर था ना. तब के टाइम का, अभी ये स्लिंग बैग्स का कितना फैशन है, और तब के टाइम पे वहाँ पे ये बैग्स यूज होता था, और वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने हाथों से और उनके पेरेंट्स अपने हाथों से बना के पापा को गिफ्ट किए थे, है ना. बड़ा सुंदर. During his time of voluntary retirement, as I say, na? And with this note, I end my day today with these beautiful works of art, with these beautiful things, and और क्या बोले, बस इमोशंस जुड़ा हुआ होता है, प्यार और एक रिस्पेक्ट होता है, और उस चीज को बयान नहीं कर सकते in words. Certain things cannot be expressed in words. So, bus love you all once again, my friends. Please to subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and share our channel with our friends and family, and tell them to subscribe. And बस मन की बात तो मन ही जानते हैं, और फ्रेंड्स होना तो मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए मन में जो रिस्पेक्ट है वो आप लोग समझ सकते हो, है ना. बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो. जय श्री कृष्ण. आओ जो.